In this video, I will show you how to set the volume. Sometimes when you're using your microphone and speaker, you need to adjust it so you don't sound so loud or so low when you're talking over Zoom. So I want you to focus on this corner. So here's the Chromebook, and you want to focus on this corner. Right above the power key on the screen, you will see this here. So just click on the time and you'll get this little pop-up screen, and then you want to go here to make it bigger, expand your menu, and you're going to see this. When you see this, remember this is on the corner of your screen. When you see this, you're going to press, you don't have to touch anything else. Bluetooth is if you want to connect it to a wireless device in your house, like a speaker. So you would click the Bluetooth and scan and find your speaker. That's also working off of Bluetooth, right? I use it in the classroom when I connect it to my speaker in the classroom. And that's about it. You want to go over here, and this is the speaker, and you want to expand. And then it's going to give you audio settings. You see my microphone is right down the center. That's where it should be. I actually have it a little towards the left because my voice is really loud on its own. If you speak very low and you almost speak in a whisper, you might want to put it up a little higher. But if you're already loud, like me, then you should be fine in the middle or to the left. And if someone tells you, "Oh, I can't hear you," or you sound very low, or you sound very loud, you know where to change it now. Okay, so let me just repeat that. You're gonna go to, okay, so you're gonna go to the clock. There's the time. Expand this. Go to your speaker. Expand your speaker. And then you'll find your microphone. So make sure you have it in the center or more towards the left if you're loud. If you're naturally soft-spoken, then maybe you want it in the center or to the right a little bit. Most of the students that I notice that have a problem is they have it all the way over on the right side, and that's really loud. So you don't want that, okay? You want to be in the center. And then try it out from there. Okay, hope this helps.